Join me as I take on the challenge of manifesting my biggest dreams using creative visualization, step by step. Creative visualization is an incredibly powerful tool for manifesting your dreams and desires. It's a technique that allows you to tap into the limitless potential of your mind, focus your energy and attention, and bring your goals into reality. And today, I want to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to do it, step by step. So, let's be real, we've all had those dreams, those big, bold, exciting goals that we desperately want to achieve. But, more often than not, they seem to slip through our fingers like sand, and we're left wondering why we just can't seem to make them happen. Well, the truth is, it's not because you're not capable or talented enough, it's because you're not using the right mindset, the right strategies, and the right techniques to bring those dreams to life. And one of the biggest obstacles standing in your way is self-doubt. That little voice inside your head that says, you're not good enough, you're not talented enough, you're not smart enough. And it's crippling, isn't it? Because when you believe those lies, you start to play small, you start to hide, and you start to settle for a life that's less than what you truly deserve. But there's another huge challenge that people face when trying to achieve their dreams, and that's lack of clarity. You see, most of us have a vague idea of what we want, but we don't have a crystal clear vision of exactly what that looks like, exactly what we need to do to get there, and exactly what obstacles we need to overcome. And without that clarity, you're just wandering around in the dark, hoping to stumble upon your dreams by accident. And then there's the problem of consistency. You see, most people try to visualize their dreams for a few days, maybe even a week or two, but then they get distracted, they get busy, and they give up. And that's the biggest mistake of all, because manifestation is not a one-time event, it's a consistent, daily practice that requires dedication, discipline, and patience. So, how do you overcome these challenges and start manifesting your dreams using creative visualization? Well, that's exactly what I want to show you today. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide on how to create a powerful visualization practice that will help you bring your dreams into reality. So, let's dive in and explore the process of creative visualization in detail. The first technique I want to share with you is vision boards. A vision board is a powerful tool that helps you clarify your goals, focus your attention, and visualize your desires. It's a physical representation of what you want to achieve, and it's an incredibly effective way to tap into the power of visualization. The next technique I want to share with you is guided imagery. Guided imagery is a powerful way to tap into the subconscious mind, to access the deepest, most hidden parts of your psyche, and to reprogram your mind with positive, empowering beliefs. It's a technique that's been used by athletes, entrepreneurs, and high achievers for decades, and it's something that I highly recommend incorporating into your daily practice. The third technique I want to share with you is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that help you reprogram your mind, build confidence, and focus your attention on what you want to achieve. They're a powerful way to overcome self-doubt, build momentum, and manifest your dreams. One of the most powerful personal experiences I've had with creative visualization was when I was struggling to build my business. I was working hard, but I just couldn't seem to get traction, and I was on the verge of giving up. But then I started using creative visualization, and everything changed. I started to visualize myself as a successful entrepreneur, I started to see myself making a difference in people's lives, and I started to believe in myself. And within a few weeks, I started to see massive changes in my business. I started to attract new clients, I started to build a community, and I started to make a real impact. Looking back, I realized that creative visualization was the key to unlocking my potential, to building my confidence, and to manifesting my dreams. It's a powerful tool that I highly recommend incorporating into your daily practice. So, let's recap the key points we've discussed today. Creative visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams, but it requires consistency, discipline, and patience. You need to overcome self-doubt, build clarity, and focus your attention on what you want to achieve. And most importantly, you need to believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, and believe in the process. If you've had any experiences with creative visualization, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Let's connect. Let's share our stories, and let's inspire each other to manifest our biggest dreams. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies on how to manifest your dreams using creative visualization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.